Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today I wanted to pop out with a little quick video today for you all. I will not be posting something tomorrow most likely since my friend has some people coming in town, so it's just going to be a little bit noisy in here for the next few days. I still will get some videos after tomorrow, just I'm going to meet everybody, introduce myself, but that's not the topic of this video today. This video, what we got going on is I'm going to be discussing aside from that beautiful stutter fest right there, I'm going to be discussing the next Dunk Low, which is going to be going up in value. It is a great hold. I see it. It does not have a US release yet. It is just like the Nike Dunk Low Boarded in my opinion, in terms of how it will rise. So, should you sleep on this one? Absolutely not. And we'll be getting into it pretty much right away. So, if y'all want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, I really would appreciate it. And thank you all for the recent support again. The videos have just been doing so well. And I really can't thank you all enough. I didn't ask for this, but I really do appreciate it. And of course, when I say I didn't ask for it, it's a great thing, so thank you. But you'd subscribe and like for more. Again, like on this video, we'll just say it's like 210 likes. We can hit that, that'd be dope. If not, it's not the end of the world. And thank you all for 8K on Instagram too. New achievements every day, so I appreciate it. But again, let's get into the next one. So the shoe that I'm discussing is the Nike Dunk Low Harvest Moon. Now, I know some of you in my comment section have been commenting about this one, and I appreciate it because you've been like, Tristan, should I sell or hold this shoe? And I was like, okay, is this a new Dunk Low colorway? I think this is actually one that I discussed that had been leaked before, and finally we're seeing some releases on it. I mean, this is just very familiar. I know I've discussed this before as some sort of, leaked release, and now we actually see it released overseas in the EU. The price is actually holding very well. Usually when a Dunk drops overseas, it doesn't hold this well in price, so that kind of tells me that the UK boys saw these and they're like, hey, these are actually kind of nice. So I don't know if this is going to mean like the UK boys are going to start hopping on the Dunk wave. I mean, the Dunk wave, I don't think it's going anywhere, and I already think the UK is fairly large on it. I think there's plenty of people that are really into buying Dunks, but just looking at this one, I think once we get that US release, I don't see this one dropping much further in price. If it really does, I don't see any planned US release date, but that it probably will drop over here. I know the Nike Dunk Low Boarded eventually dropped over here in the US. Just for comparison, I want to show you all the rise of the Nike Dunk Low Boarded. Look at what the Harvest Moon is really doing right now. You see this colorway, very clean, very wearable, and look where its chart's at right now. It's kind of just flat. Shout out to everyone over in the EU. I really appreciate you all. Y'all make life easier for a lot of resellers over here in the US, because you can see this one's just kind of staying steady in price. So if you're trying to get this one for the personal collection, now is the time. And this one's also women's sizing only, so you have to take that into account. Only up to size 12W, so if you're a size 11 men's, I'm very sorry. You were left out of the mix on this shoe. It's okay, we've been there. But your boy's lucky. I'm a 9.5, 9, so I fit everything. But yeah, looking into this one, you see how this one's just kind of flat right before it. That was the Nike Dunk Low Boarded. Very, very similar, and I could see this one rising just the same. It's the exact same type of color blocking. I mean, look, pretty much identical. I mean, it is just, the colors are different, but the exact same type of style. You can see it's just like brown and white. This one is just, kind of that boarded colorway and white, and that's really all it is. So I just see very similar, I see a lot of similarities in the shoe between the two, so that just kind of makes me, my eyes are on them. I mean, my eyes have been on the Nike Dunk Low Boarded. I actually have a pair of them, which I'm just going to be holding. Actually, no, I think I'm selling those right now because the price is already fairly high on these. So Bourdals, I'm honestly just selling those off just to reinvest, and then these ones I'll be looking into. Hopefully we will get a US release date soon, because obviously when we get a US release date, then these ones will drop in price a little bit more, and then you can buy it then. But this is one of those shoes where I see it and I'm like, it's going to be just like the Laser Oranges, where exactly on the release date, like right after it releases, it's going to go up like $20, $30 the day after it releases. Like the next day it's going to be worth $20, $30 more. So if you want to buy pairs on release day, a lot of people discourage you from doing it, but when everyone was telling me not to buy Laser Oranges on release day, that was my fastest sneaker investment ever. I made $120 on 2 pairs in a week. So imagine if I'd bought 10. That'd have just been a quick little, $600 in a week off some shoes. And those ones are at insane prices now. So just want to make y'all aware, don't sleep in the Harvest Moons. I'm going to end the screen recording there real quick because I want to show you all a couple other shoes that I'm just kind of holding on to right now, that I got in recently in yesterday's video. If you want to go check that out, feel free. But this is just a couple pairs I've decided, I'm going to hold on to. So first things first, I think this is the Nike Dunk Low Georgetown. This one right here, I see a lot more value in these in the future. Very, very, very clean pair. I love this colorway. This is size 11, so obviously size 11 in Dunks is a size that's in much higher demand. I think probably the most popular size in sneakers would have to be a size 11, if not a size 10. That's what I'm thinking. If someone wants to, let me know the truth down below, I'd appreciate that. But I'm pretty sure it's size 10, but it could be size 11 at this point because I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I don't check that. But aside from that, another one I also want to show you all right here is the Nike Dunk Low Black. I believe that is this colorway, or no, another Nike Dunk Low Georgetown. So I'm holding a 10.5. And an 11 in the Nike Dunk Low Georgetown. Again, see more value in these in the future. Another retro, clean colorway, especially bigger sizes. I think these could definitely push a little bit more, since I haven't checked those in a bit, but I still think those are in kind of the lower $300 range. Could see them at $400 just because the prices of dunks are so inflated right now. There's no lying about that. That's just the honest truth and fact to it. I saw someone in my comment section that were like, Tristan, you have to admit though, it's pretty laughable about the prices of dunks. It's just a joke at this point. And I agree, but people are paying them comfortably, so it's like, are you not going to sell them, to them? It's like, hey, come on. So the final one I want to show you all right here is, it's not the Nike Dunk Low Black, Nike Dunk Low Michigan. This is actually a really good one because you all can go check this chart on this one on StockX. Doing very, very well right now. It's kind of been spiking up, dropping a little bit, then it spikes up again. These are at 310 right now. Easily could see these pushing higher than 350. So I'm just going to wait a little bit. And when I really think about the 3 pairs I'm just holding on to, even though they're already at a higher value, the only reason that I'm just kind of holding on to 3 and selling the other 5, and then I have those 2, of course, pending, since, USPS, I'm waiting on the claim to see if they end up giving me my money back. If they don't, then I'll get 2 more pairs from Mana. They said they'll give me 2 for free. So I really appreciate them for that, kind of covering my lost pairs, since, USPS just completely yeeted me out my Dutch mids, but it is what it is. Hopefully, someone's at least wearing them, not reselling them. That'd be cool. But I'm reselling, so I don't really care what they're doing with them. Well, I wish I had them. But yeah, could see these pushing a higher value along with a lot of further dunk retros, just because the prices are very high on them, and people are going to continue paying higher prices as we get into summer. Right now, as we're in winter, everyone's freaking out about the lower prices of crypto and stocks, and just overall, just why shoe prices are so high. Just shoe prices, of course, are going to keep going up. I don't think that's stopping anytime soon. But in terms of the crypto market, stock market, the crypto market follows the stock market. This is very off topic. I don't know why I'm discussing it, but yeah, we're all good. Don't worry. Everything will be good by the summer. That's at least my prediction. Things will be better. So aside from that, that's everything I really need to mention right there. I obviously don't have the screen recording or anything up still, so if you want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. That is in the description. If you want to subscribe and like, of course, feel free to do that as well. The goal in this video is 210 likes. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just leave it in the comment section. I will eventually get there and answer it. Just give me a little bit of time to get back into my classes today. So, I got to do that. I got one online one, and then I got one I got to walk a mile to, which kind of sucks. But, the walk will be a little bit refreshing, so I don't mind. But that's everything I really need to mention. It's cold in Charleston. Wish it was a little bit warmer too, so I'm not really going to be sweating or anything. It's 40 degrees. You know how it is. But college life, we'll be out of it soon. Peace.
Wrist, I'm on kinda yeah. And we can't keep it together, cause you know that it's the weather, we all alone. We can make this shit together, I swear any type of weather, it's all alone.